about how the development paradigm has changed from what it used to be, say, when I was in college, where things are now, right? So when at that time, right, we used to sort of maybe I'll take a software as an example, right? We used to learn C, C++, Fortran, things like that, where you start from a simple hello world example and come up with some algorithm or something and then implement it and you get an output, right? That's how it used to be. But with the advent of AI and all these things, now it's completely different, right? Where now you have tons of data and then some model is developed by some company, you throw at it and then you get some solution out of it, right? So where it has come to the point where people are just doing prompt engineering, right? So all this will sort out, right, where your nature of job will change. But the point I want to make is, today the development is very abstracted from the lower level stuff, right? Earlier we used to operate at a lower level where we actually understand the requirements, right? If you take VLSI as an example, right, say 30-40 years ago, people used to design at the gate level, right, transistor level, gate level, right? We used to do logic design and put AND gates and NAND gates and NOT gates and all that stuff. From there to where things are now, and they're changing even further, where you just put some things in a tool and the tool is doing everything, where you don't really have the knowledge or understanding of what all is happening down there.